According to a news coverage taken by one of the news channels on 27 January 2013, all the mini scientists had gathered at a place forgetting all their educational activities and play. They were a part of a unique competition, built different kinds of robots, and became the reason for every individual's amazement. Different dinosaurs, military machines that are helpful for the soldiers at the borders were getting developed. Printer and wind robots were also developed. The mini scientists are involved in the development of different kinds of robotic models. Yes, Electronic City's Ebenezer International School was a place for these mini scientists activity center. Novatech Robo, an organization along with Lawrence Technological University, Michigan, USA, had organized RoboFest 2013. According to Mr. Imtiaz Ahmad Khan, CEO Novatech Robo, students from 20 schools have participated. 150 students have come here with a variety of robots. The robots' task is search, rescue, clean up and collect data. Need to search, which means there's an accident taken place in a building. The robot should search for building and rescue the people trapped in the topmost floor of the building and destroy the rest of the floors. And the affected area should be calculated and displayed. All the three tasks need to be shown. According to Mr. Javed, Head, Robotic and Business Operation, Novatech Robo, in schools and colleges we give training on robotics. For children, we teach how robotics can be implemented and how to assemble. Even programming is learned through these robotic models. Then what they would learn through their syllabus, that itself could be implemented practically. Weightlift robot, military youth robots were getting developed in order to fight against enemies. Easy way to help printing, a machine was developed. Likewise, the robots which were being developed were the students from 5th standard to pre-university. Students from more than 20 schools and colleges across the city in huge number had participated. They were ready with their variety of robots to be experimented and were the part of appreciation from the public. A student shares his thoughts on the model prepared by him at RoboFest. Actually, this is a military bot. We're using this for military purpose. If suppose there are enemies at the other end and we are at the corner, if we directly approach, they may shoot and kill us. So if we use this bot instead, see, this is like a caterpillar. These balls are being shooted from here. We can use bombs instead of bullets. So this bot is controlled through handgun. Whatever, as technology is changing, we see that today's generation is also updating to it. New variety of discoveries are being contributed by these youngsters has been proved here.